signals, and similar sources. It then turns that energy into electricity inciders can see here. This is absolutely true, and I practically show every multimeter to DC voltage but instantly showing 0. Now I'm going to connect the circuit to the meter term. Black is negative. You can already see the voltage going up slowly, and remember there's no timing. How is it's because the point you're seeing here is acting like absorbing radio frequencies from the air in these capacitors. Voltage. Currently, you can charge in millivolts, which isn't much. We have charged it up to 12. We now need a larger antenna. It also conducts electricity. It can act. So let's try touching it, and now you can see the voltage jumping up quickly. We've already crossed 160 millivolts DC. This happens because the antenna now has a bigger surface area. It also depends on the number of nearby cell towers and how close they are to this circuit. As you can see here, we've reached about 400 millivolts. Let's see how much higher it can go. We've now hit 6 volts and it's still going up. It seems like 1 volt is within reach. Also, remember that some voltage is lost across these diodes. Since multiple diodes are connected in series, there's a bit of drop, but they are essential to convert the AC signal into DC. Slow down. Would at least go past 1 volt, and is at around 889 millivolts DC. Now it's crossing 900, and again increasing rapidly. And finally, we've passed 1 volt, it's still going. Now I'll take my hand away. You should see a drop in the voltage. As I removed my fingers, you can see the voltage dropping fast. And if I touch it again, it starts rising again. Now let me show you my camera stand, and underneath you can see a piece of cardboard. That's there to isolate the stand from the ground. This tripod will work as another antenna. There's a wire here with a clip on one end and just plain wire on the other. The clip side will connect to the tripod as the antenna, and the plain end will be joined to the circuit. Currently, the meter is showing 0 volts DC. Now let's connect the antenna wire, but first, I'll connect these other wires. It's showing 53 millivolts now. So we should do first. Now once capacitors are already charging 10.8 and going up. Let's now finally wire sharp voltage jump. And yes, there's a fasting voltage. Not sure why, but when I touch the voltage is to increase. No clue why that's happening, but it is interesting. The voltage is now 1.7 volts and charging fast. We're getting close to 2 volts. That's really cool. Now I'm removing my fingers, and again, the voltage is dropping. At first, I thought maybe a loose wire was causing this, but now I think something else is going on when I touch it. Let's see how far it goes. Nearly 2.5 volts now. Wow. 3.5 volts. And again, when I stop touching it, it starts discharging. Something's going on with my fingers. See, it's strange. Oh, now I understand. My body is connected to the ground, and when I touch this wire, we're getting an AC signal. Here, and this side is ground, so it charges the capacitors faster. It's giving it the right polarity. So it's clear that if you use this kind of circuit, you should have a ground connection. Seems like it's leveling off at around 4.5 volts. Now, I'll try a little experiment. I've connected a small buzzer to the circuit. The current voltage is 460 millivolts. One thing we notice here is that without the ground wire, the capacitors don't charge well. So I'll connect my body again, same as before, and look at the voltage. It's jumping again. We've now reached 1.8 volts. Now I'll attach the positive wire to the positive terminal of the buzzer. We should hear a buzzing sound. I'll bring the mic close so you can hear. Here it is, it's going a bit higher. Yes, 4.5 volts still. And I'll bring it closer since I don't think the voltage will go up too much. And here, see the drop in voltage. If I keep it connected, nothing happens. Once I disconnect it, the voltage starts rising again. And once again, I'll connect it. Let's wait and allow it to charge properly. Okay, I think it's ready. And here, go. The voltage drops to 4 volts. Next, I've connected a small LED. It's green, and I'll charge it again using my body as ground. Let's try lighting the LED. I think it's charged.